Welcome to the Wonder Garden channel, a place that shares extremely useful orchid care tips, helping your plants always stay healthy and bloom brilliantly. With only simple ingredients available in the kitchen, easy to find, and a very simple method, you can completely take care of your orchids at home while still achieving high effectiveness. When cared for properly, your orchids will stimulate new root growth, have lush green leaves, and quickly bloom again, even producing more flowers on a single spike and lasting longer. Let's get started to make your orchid pots more vibrant and full of life every day. To make today's fertilizer, I will use sprouted potatoes, an ingredient that is no longer usable and is often thrown away. If you have sprouted potatoes, don't rush to throw them away. Because when potatoes sprout, they release many natural enzymes and growth hormones, which are very good for stimulating root growth and restoring orchids. If you don't have sprouted potatoes, you can simply use regular potatoes, as the difference in nutrient content is not too significant. First, peel the potato skin. This will be the main ingredient for today. Potato peels contain a lot of potassium, vitamins, and natural minerals, helping to stimulate root development, increase resistance, and support the plant to recover faster. In addition, these nutrients also help the plant develop strong green leaves and create conditions for better bud formation. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. After having the potato peels, I will put all of them into a pot. Then add about 500 milliliters of clean water. Next, I will boil it for about 10 minutes. This method helps extract maximum nutrients from the potato peels into the water, such as potassium, vitamins, and minerals, making the solution rich in nutrients and easier to absorb. At the same time, boiling also helps eliminate bacteria, clean the ingredients, ensuring the solution is safe to use for orchids. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. After 10 minutes, turn off the heat and let the potato water solution cool completely before using. While waiting for the water to cool, I will rinse the orchids. If you still don't know which orchid pots are lacking or having enough water, I will show you. Pay attention to the roots. If the roots have turned grayish-white, at this time the plant needs water to absorb. If the roots are green like this, the plant already has enough water. You don't need to water more. When you understand this sign, caring for orchids will become much easier because you will always know exactly when the plant needs water, avoiding root rot or weakening the plant. Spend a little time observing the roots before each watering. This small habit will help your orchids stay healthy and grow more stably. Rinsing with clean water helps evenly moisten the root system, avoiding dry roots being shocked when directly exposed to fertilizer. At the same time, clean water also helps wash away dirt, mineral salts, and old fertilizer residues, creating a more ventilated and cleaner environment for the roots. Thanks to that, when fertilizing afterward, the plant will absorb nutrients better and more effectively, helping the recovery and growth process happen quickly. After the potato peel solution has cooled, I will remove the peels and only keep the extracted liquid fertilizer. I will add about 1 liter of clean water to dilute the solution, making the concentration safer and more suitable for orchids. The next ingredient I use is vitamin B1. Vitamin B1 provides essential nutrients, reduces stress for the plant, especially when the plant is weak or has just had its roots treated. At the same time, vitamin B1 also helps stimulate new root growth, supports recovery, and creates conditions for the plant to bloom again. Then, stir the solution well so that the vitamin B1 completely dissolves in the water. Dissolving thoroughly helps nutrients distribute evenly in the solution. So, when used, the plant will absorb more effectively, supporting quick recovery, stimulating root growth, and stable development. After having this solution, I will guide you with a few ways to take care of orchids. Method 1. Take a portion of the solution, then use a soft cotton pad to soak it and gently wipe over the entire leaf surface of the orchid. Potato peels provide potassium and minerals, helping strengthen cell health, support the plant to be sturdier, and promote bud formation. Vitamin B1 helps reduce stress for the plant, especially after repotting or root treatment, while also stimulating new root growth and faster recovery. In addition, organic compounds in the solution also help increase nutrient absorption through leaves, supporting overall plant development. When wiped onto the leaves, nutrients will be absorbed directly through the leaf surface, helping clean dirt, bacteria, and fungi on the leaves, making them darker green, glossy, and thicker. Increase photosynthesis efficiency, thereby helping the plant grow stronger and more stable. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. Maintain this method regularly. You will see the orchids become noticeably healthier, grow roots better, and have a higher ability to produce more flowers. Method 2. Pour the solution into a specialized watering can, then water gently and evenly around the base of the orchid. When watered at the base, the solution will directly penetrate the root system, helping the plant absorb nutrients quickly and more effectively. Potatoes provide potassium and minerals, helping roots grow strong, increasing the ability to absorb water and nutrients, while supporting bud and flower formation. Vitamin B1 helps stimulate new root growth, reduce stress for the plant, especially useful when the plant has just been treated or is weakening. Natural organic compounds help improve the growing medium environment, support beneficial microorganisms, and help roots develop more stably. Proper watering will help the plant recover quickly. Roots grow strongly, leaves become lush green, and create a foundation for more flowering. Note, you should water in moderate amounts. Avoid excessive water accumulation, causing root rot. Method 3. Pour the remaining solution into a spray bottle. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. Then mist lightly and evenly over the entire orchid. When spraying, let the solution disperse into a fine mist layer, helping it adhere evenly to leaves, stems, and aerial roots, allowing the plant to absorb nutrients gradually and more effectively. In addition, misting also helps increase humidity around the plant, creating a favorable environment for stable orchid growth and limiting leaf dryness. Note, you should spray in the early morning or cool afternoon, and avoid spraying directly on the flowers to keep them beautiful and long-lasting. Not only for orchids, this solution can also be applied to many other plants in the garden, such as anthurium, peace lily, and many other indoor plants. Thanks to natural ingredients, the solution gently supplements nutrients, supports plant recovery, root development, and increases resistance without causing harm if used properly. When applied to other plants, you can wipe leaves, mist spray, or water the base, helping plants absorb nutrients effectively, thereby making leaves greener, plants healthier, and growth more stable. This is a cost-saving, safe, and suitable care method for most indoor and garden plants. Method 4. For the potato tuber, cut it into moderate pieces. Then place them on the surface of the orchid pot. This method will help attract cockroaches and insects hiding deep in the growing medium to crawl up to the surface to look for food. Thanks to that, you can easily detect and remove them, helping the orchid pot become cleaner and limiting pests that harm the roots. After a period of time, collect and remove these potato pieces. Avoid letting them decompose for too long, causing mold or attracting more unwanted insects. Result: after a period of care, my orchids have grown strongly and changed noticeably day by day. You can see many new roots growing with plump green root tips. This is a sign that the plant is absorbing nutrients well and recovering extremely effectively. A healthy root system is the most important foundation for orchids to maintain long-term vitality. Orchid leaves become darker green, glossy, and thicker. This proves that the potato peel and vitamin B1 solution has supported the plant very well during the recovery stage. Some orchid pots have even produced new flower spikes, rising strongly. This shows that the plant has fully recovered and is ready to enter the next blooming season. Each blooming flower is the result of a gentle but proper care process. This simple method not only helps orchids stay healthy, but also brings noticeable changes to your entire garden. With persistence, the plant will always respond with brilliance and vitality. What do you think about this natural orchid care method? Have you ever tried using familiar kitchen ingredients to care for your orchids? Please share your experience in the comments. I really look forward to hearing stories from your garden. If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Wonder Garden channel so you don't miss simple but effective plant care tips in the next videos. Thank you for watching, and see you again in the next Green Journeys.